Hi everyone, I'm doing a review on a product by Ivan Leather from Etsy. It's Ivan Leather, all one word. And the reason for that is because I recently got this Leatherman Surge, as you can see. But the problem is that the regular case can only hold one bit kit. It also doesn't even have room for this extra file that comes with the Leatherman. So I was looking online, I saw this product, and I just got it today. Wanted to open it. Didn't really see any reviews on it outside of the guy that actually makes it. Anyway, so let's take a look at it. This is a leather kit. Supposed to be able to hold both bit kits as well as a bit extender. Just do a quick once around. There's a button, holds it closed. Come up and you can see the stitching on this. And this is pretty hard right there, but this, you can hear the leather. And this, some more clips. Anyways, let's see how it fits. Looks like it fits just fine, but the reason why I got it was actually for the being able to hold both of these bit kits. So let's see how those fit. If you can see, they both fit just fine. Now I also got a bit extender. That it's kind of tight, but it does fit. And then there's a I don't know if you guys can see it, I'm sorry for the lighting. There's a little slot right here. This is actually for the extra solder file. Let's see how that fits. Looks like it's going to fit just fine. It's pretty heavy. Probably twice as heavy as the actual kit, or the original. It does close nicely with everything in it. Now it does have this one extra loop right here. Let me see. This is an Olight 13T EOS. I don't know if that's gonna fit. Looks kind of like a tight fit. I don't think that's gonna fit, not very easily anyways. This is a Fisher space pin. That looks like it fits a little better. Anyway, so everything all in one. Now, it has a, I brought a belt just to show you how it goes on. This is just a regular belt that I have, just for work. Now it says that there's 3 different ways that you can wear this. This is the first way, just putting it on like this. You can probably get a lot bigger of a belt that way. But what I wanted to see was how this one goes. So you can wear it horizontally if you want. And then the third way, which Ivan calls his adapted, is there's a place here for your belt. Let's see if I can get it. said that this is the most secure way to wear it. Like that. But anyways, this is just a regular belt for size reference. That's the thickness of it. I do have thicker belts, gun belts, work belts, but it didn't look like those were going to fit horizontally. Maybe just vertically like this. You could get a lot thicker of a belt through that. You see there's how much room you have left if you wanted a thicker one. Anyways, this is the Leatherman Surge sheath with a 2-bit kit and file and saw holder by Ivan Leather. That's what it looks like when it's all full. Just do one more quick go around. It seems like a very good product, but this is just a first glance. You can probably put any other Leatherman that's the same size. Maybe the Signal or the Mutt, those are close, although they have the hammer, so maybe not. But yeah, here it is. I'll be wearing this for a while, see how it holds up. If anybody is interested, I will make a follow-up to this, but like I said, I didn't, outside of Ivan actually making some videos, I didn't see anybody actually make a video on this product, so I decided I would try it. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, thanks for watching.